Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put number 1 go to the right. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s will go to the right. Next, I will multiply e to the power of y on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will concentrate about this one. So I will put the integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus e to the power of y. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative e to the power of y dy. Next, I will put the negative go to the left, and you got about du, negative du equals to e to the power of y dy. So this one we change by u. This one we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now I will put back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have s, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.